Good morning, class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the excretory system. In order to understand excretory system, let us understand what is an excretion, right? And we get confused with certain things also in excretion. So excretion means the process of removal of nitrogenous waste from the body. Okay, we are going to learn about nitrogenous waste in detail, and it also plays an important role in maintaining the homeostatic condition of the body, means dynamic balance of the body. We often get confused with egestion and excretion. Okay, excretion. So let us understand what is an egestion and what is an excretion. Egestion means after the digestion of the food, the undigested solid waste passes through the anus, and this means removal of urine as a liquid passage and formation, that is excretion. Next now, excretion refers to urine passage and urine formation. Now, the substances that are to be eliminated during excretion. Alright, so first one is nitrogenous waste, and in this nitrogenous waste it will include urea, uric acid and ammonia. Now, nitrogenous waste, it has to be removed from the body, and if it's stored in the body, it is going to be very harmful for the body, because nitrogenous, by the word nitrogenous, means having a nitrogen content in your body, and that is very harmful for your body, and it has to be removed from the body. And it also and formation of urea. So a short type answer is asked. All right, so where is it formed, and how is urea, and which organ helps in excretion of urea? Now, first one is it is formed in liver, and it is excreted by kidney. All right, formation of urea, very important for short type. Excess salts, that is NaCl, and even water soluble vitamin B and C need to be water soluble vitamins. Alright, little bit of class 9 so that it'll be easier for you. We have fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Means this fat soluble vitamins remains inside the body, and this water soluble, it does not remain in the body. Just remember that. Water soluble vitamins, it comes out in the form of sweat and urine, and fat soluble vitamin remains in the body. Water, excess quantity of water is removed and helps in dissolving harmful materials. Okay, carbon dioxide and water. So how is carbon dioxide formed then? Let us understand this. So oxidation of glucose, whatever the food that we're eating, it oxidizes to glucose, and that helps in the production of carbon dioxide and water. So it is eliminated. You know how carbon dioxide is eliminated through lungs? Extra water is released in the form of sweat. Now this one, last one, is very, very important. Bile pigments. Bile pigments are also excreted in urine. So what are bile pigments? So we know the lifespan, we know the blood, the cellular part of the blood, that is RBC, WBC and platelets. We have RBCs over here, and we know the lifespan is 120 days. So what happens after that? When the RBCs, that the lifespan gets over, the RBC gets destroyed. The hemoglobin is broken down to form bilirubin, which further divides to form bile pigments. So where is bile pigments and how is it formed? Okay, this can come for short type also. We usually get confused with bile juice and bile pigments. So what is a bile juice? Bile juice is secreted from liver, also helps in the formation of bile pigments, but this bile pigment and this pigment you have a difference. This one helps in the formation of, okay, this is related to excretion. This bile pigment that is present in the that is secreted by the liver, okay, it helps to give yellow color to the feces, to the excreta. All right, so bile pigments. Now this is the last one. Different excretory organs of our body. We have kidney, urine formation, mainly urea. Skin, it excretes, removes waste, sweats. It excretes carbon dioxide. Liver detoxifies ammonia by converting into urea. So whatever the protein that is stored, that is digested, it protein are finely divided into amino acids, and that cannot be stored, all right, into the liver. It has to be converted to something else. So it is converted amino acid, okay, and its amino acid is sent to the liver, and the liver helps in converting it into urea. All right, because excess of urea will lead to, it's very harmful for kidney. And last one is break down bad cholesterol, alcohol, nicotine and drugs.